still the extension of the reddito emergency will be like say many people they expect. Now many people are expecting if this government are still going to extend this reddito emergency, because people can bear witness that this money has already helped a lot of citizens across here in Italy. And then every time una they ask me the question, so now I've come to give a little bit analysis if there will be a possibility to have a green light ahead to have this reddito emergency again. This is what Prince TV have come to deliberate with you guys. And then with the latest news which I'm having here like this, I have to read out the articles so that you guys can now understand and know if this government are still having the intention to extend this reddito emergency. But first, if you know you have not subscribed, try to subscribe and make sure you put on your notification bell. Anytime we be like say we upload a video, you'll be the first person to notify and know what this video is all about. And then don't forget that this particular platform sometimes they give a stand show. We be like say we're going to see starting from now, we're going to see updates how things still happen. Right now, let's go to the emergency income. Listen what is coming here. He said here, emergency income extension to 2022. This is a question which they are asking. Listen attentively. He said, here is the news. In almost a month, we will leave 2021 behind to welcome a 2022 full of new intentions. He said, the new year could hold important surprises for citizens as early as January. He said, the Draghi government, in fact, seems willing to grant the extension to the emergency income at least until the summer month of next year. Let's see the latest news about it. Now let's see if there is going to be a possibility of extension of the reddito emergency. Let's go a little bit forward. That the Draghi government will have to take by the end of December 2021 are increasingly difficult. Among these, the hypothesis of an extension of the state of emergency to 2022, at least for the first month of the year. So now, as I'm talking to you, everything is just like the way it is. There is no extension of this reddito emergency. In this last month of this year, that is the month of December, which we are about to go into, we are still going to see if this Mario Draghi government are going to give out a decree that will extend this reddito emergency. Now let's go a little bit forward here. Since this is an exceptional emergency measure, therefore far from the ordinary measures adopted by the government bodies, it will not be easy to extend the state of emergency till 2022 without a valid decree. So now, if Italian government not put any valid decree, the state of emergency will not even be extended till 2022. So the month of December is full of intentions where we are going to know if the government is going to extend the state of emergency and that of the reddito emergency. Now let's read this last paragraph here. He said here, as mentioned in the previous paragraphs, there is still no news on a possible extension of the emergency income. Much less did Prime Minister Mario Draghi give news about it. So now, as I'm stating to you guys, those of you who are still willing to know one or two things about the extension of reddito emergency, as of now, there is no extension of this reddito emergency. We are going to fold our hands and then watch the Mario Draghi's government in the month of December if they are going to put a valid decree that will extend the state of emergency and that of the reddito emergency. So that is why I said, if you have not subscribed to this platform, try to follow us up. Anytime we upload our video, you'll be the first person to be notified and know what this video is all about. So, when I get them for my say, I don't know if you go apply for reddito emergency again for now. So, month of December when we won't enter, we'll go watch, we'll see if any updates come out for them to extend this reddito emergency, because this money have already helped a lot of families here in Italy. Then Prince TV will also give you guys alerts to know if the government is about to extend or already placed a decree to extend the Ready-to Emergency. If you never subscribe, try to subscribe. Till next time again, we'll be together. Happy Sunday to you guys. Meet you again in my next video. And then tell me what you think about my stand show. Anytime I stand and make video just to give an analysis. Tell me what you feel about all my videos. Then I will know how you guys are a kind of like accepting my videos. Till next time again, we'll be together. Remain your host here on this platform, Prince TV.